Okay. Good afternoon, kids. Good afternoon, everyone. So, we're going to have this experiment, DIY water filtration. So, as we all know, filtration is one way on how to separate mixtures. We have your bottle. We have cutter. Okay. So, we have the cotton, the sand. Okay. So, we have here the pebbles, So we have here another sand, and we have here the charcoal. So these are the materials that we're going to use during our experimentation. So this bottle, we have to cut this bottle into two. So what we're going to do is, we have to put this cotton inside this bottle. And then what we're going to do, we have to put this sand, the clear sand. Next, after the sand, so we have here, so we're going to put again this another sand. Next, we have this charcoal. And then next, we have the pebbles. Okay, so then we have this dirty water. So we have to look what will happen. Okay, there we go. Here is the result of our experimentation. From the dirty water to somewhat clear water. So we can still filter this kind of water. Thank you very much. Good day.